In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default file format in Microsoft Word. We all know how crucial it is to have our documents saved in a format that suits our needs best, whether for compatibility with other software or for sharing purposes. So, let's dive into this quick and simple process that will save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Word on your computer if it isn't already. Once your Word application is up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll see a menu option labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. This brings up a whole new range of options and settings for you to explore, but for today, we're focused on just one thing. Next, you need to scroll down just a little and find the Options button. Clicking Options will open up a dialog box called the Word Options dialog. This is essentially the control hub for adjusting all sorts of default settings in Word, from display preferences to language settings. But don't get overwhelmed. Our mission here is pretty straightforward. Now that you're in the Word Options dialog box, look over to the left-hand side. You'll see a list of categories. Click on the category labeled Save. This section gives you several choices about how Word saves your documents, including where they are saved and in what format they are saved by default. Here, the option that we're interested in is Save Files in this format, or something similar, depending on your version of Word. This is essentially asking you what type of file format you'd like Word to use as the default for saving new documents. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu right next to it. Click on this drop-down, and you'll be presented with a list of available file formats. The choices you see might include Word Document, .docx, Word 97, 2003, .doc, PDF, or even plain text, among others. Take a moment to think about which format is most convenient or necessary for you. For most users, .docx is the preferred format due to its compatibility with modern Word features. Once you've decided, select your desired file format from the drop-down list. Now that you've made your selection, it's time to wrap up this simple settings change. Go ahead and click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. This confirms and saves any changes you made to the settings. From this point onward, any new documents you create will automatically be saved in the format you just selected. This can be a real time saver, especially if you're working on multiple projects that have different format requirements. Congratulations! You've now successfully changed the default file format in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it makes your workflow just a little bit smoother. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.